beyond the noise and the thunder, beyond the rise and the fall. There's a fire burning under every shadow, every wall. Writing answers in the sky, turning dreams into golden cages, never asking myself why. Every victory tasted endless, every mountain seemed so small, but the echoes of the distance started breaking through it all. Then the silence spoke my name, and nothing felt the same. Now I know what matters. Not the crown, not the gold. It's the hands that lift you higher. It's the hearts that never fold. Through the fire, through the dark, against the storm, we are stronger standing together. We are more than what we've won. I have seen the ancient towers, I have watched the oceans turn. Time can take away the power, but not the lessons that we learn. All the roads I thought were final, all the wars I thought I'd won, led me back to something simple. Who we are beneath the sun. Not the glory, not the fame, but who remains. Now I know what matters. Not the race to stand alone. It's the voices in the distance, calling lost hearts safely home. Through the fire, through the years that made us strong, we were searching for forever, while it lived in us all along. Then and now I see it clearer. Every scar became a sign. Almost there for all those years, still the road was always mine. And the stars above the silence were never asking to be reached, only there to guide the traveler toward the truth beneath his feet. Dawn. Every step, every failure, build the ground I'm standing on. Through the fire, through the rise and through the fall, we are keepers of the flame now, and the flame outlives us all. Carry the flame. no looking back. I built my shape from discipline. No wasted moves, no fragile skin. I knew the rules, I played them right. Turned every flaw into sharpened light. They called it strength, they called it control, but silence started carving my soul. I was too perfect to ever fall, too precise to feel at all. I was too perfect, clean and tight, but perfection casts no shadow, no light. I watched the world in flawless lines, pattern systems, grand designs, history spoken stone and time. Nature moved in rhythm and rhyme. I trusted order, I trusted form, believed harmony keeps you warm. But beauty doesn't ask to be owned, it breaks you open, leaves you exposed. I was too perfect to ever bend, too complete to need a friend. I was too perfect, sealed and closed, but nothing grows when nothing's broken open. Then something shifted, quiet and slow, not a collapse, a letting go. I felt the weight, I felt the grace. Imperfection gave me space. Not weaker now, just more alive. I don't survive, I choose to strive. I'm not too perfect, I finally see. Strength breeds best in honesty. I'm not too perfect, I stand revealed. What bends can heal, what feels is real. I still believe in form and flow, in nature's laws, in what we grow. But now I know, beyond control, the deepest power is having a soul. The morning light is rising across a silent field, where steel and stone are growing, where dreams begin to yield. No noise, no crowd, no anthem, just echoes in the haze. But in the air there's promise, a spark that starts to blaze. The paths are drawn with purpose, the nets are hung with care. Each corner now remembers the ones who once were there. The past is not forgotten, it guides the work we do. With every wall that rises, we shape a future true. We move across the training next beginning, the ground we build upon. It's more than just a surface, it's more than goals and lines. It's sweat turned into purpose, it's blood beneath the pines. A haven for the hopeful, a forge for rising names, a cradle for the fearless, the birthplace of the game. You won't yet hear the chanting, the thunder of the crowd, but something here is growing, determined, strong and proud. The future wants these sidelines, its heartbeat loud and clear. The club becomes a promise, rebuilt year after year. We move across the training grounds, where every step is care. Each corner now remembers the ones who once were there. The past is not forgotten, it guides the work we do. With every wall that rises, we shape a future true. We move across the trading grounds, where every step is care. Each corner now remembers the ones who once were there. The past is not forgotten, it guides the work we do. We raise the next beginning, the ground we build upon.
The breeze is softly calling, the field begins to glow. Footsteps trace the pathways where quiet moments flow. Leaves are gently dancing, the sky is painted white. We float above the silence where open worlds reside. Echoes rise from benches, voices blend with cheer. Bikes and joggers passing, the morning drawing near. Sunlight warms the hillside, the meadow starts to play. With every gentle motion, we drift and drift away. We soar across the open, where the colors breathe and shine. In every loop and spiral, the rhythm feels divine. From the pitch to the pavilion, through branches bending low, this drone becomes a whisper in nature's steady flow. In the hedges, songs beneath the pine, stories told in footsteps, the moment's clear design. In fields where dreams awaken and joy begins to rise, we're gliding over memories beneath the endless skies. By fountains and by footpaths, the day unfolds in light. Children's shouts and banners in stadiums so bright. Each this timeless point of view. We soar across